Hi friends, welcome to Code Hub. And today's session we will discuss about functions in Python and what is a function and what is argument and what is function. Functions are a way to bundle multiple lines of code together to run as a one block of code. It means we have to create one block of code to run by using a function name. Many functions accept inputs, call some arguments, and produce the output. We have some input, and we have to give some arguments, and we have to give some conditions on in the function section, and we can produce output for using that function name. That is called function. The next one is why we need to use function. Functions are essential part of most of programming language. Every programming language needs to functions. Functions are reusable piece of code that can be used another function name also. Using function name to reuse another function name also. Functions can be called another way in Python. Function can use anywhere in the program include calling function within another function also. We have to use some calling function like definition or a function name. We can use another function also, it will be using. Next, every function has a function name. We have to give some function name to every function. That function name is used when the function is called in a program. If we need to run that whatever the function name, we have to use that function name. Calling a function name means running in a function. Next one, function can receive inputs from the program. Functions, they can receive that program name, the information of given function data or function information in functions. The input provided to function is called input argument or just argument, and the arguments are code passed to the function to input. Once complete the argument, then function can produce the output. We say the function return output to the program. The output of a program function can be assigned to the variable for using in program. When argument should be completed, then the product should be released. The output product should be released. The output product should be shown in the output form. Then the function defined in a Python typically contain at least two lines. We have to give some functions. It means at least two lines of code which we have to give. The first one is a function name and arguments, and the next one should be uh, some code or some information, some condition should be applied. Then the last one is what kind of information you want to print. If it will be yes, this kind of information will be printed. If it will be false, then it will be showing another way. And what is that? Just see the some example. We have to use define is a keyword. Define is a Python inbuilt keyword. The function name whichever you want to give some functions, it will no use a special words and spaces not between in the given function name. And the argument means whatever the argument you want to give some information or input is here in the argument. And the code, if you want to apply some statements or while loop or for loop, that kind of conditions you want to give some programming in the code. And the written output should be, do you want any kind of output, do you want to expect it, that much you have to print it. And the next one, the keyword define need to be the start of the line that declare the function. If the def is the keyword, to declare the function should be started. Def stands for definition and indicate to the Python interpreter that a function defined will be followed. The next one, function with multiple arguments. What is the multiple arguments? Function can be written to accept multiple input arguments. When the multiple arguments is specified, that arguments are instantly within the parenthesis after the function name and separated by the comma. We will give some heading. Mm, Functions in Python. Shift enter. First, we have to give some basic function. Mm, my function is the function name. It doesn't give any argument, just empty argument, and it should be closed with colon and print. This is my first function. Just we have to give it. If it should be saved, but I need to print this value. What should I do? Just give yes. If here just the given data should be saved, but I need to print this value, you should give the function name and whatever the parameters you want to print it. Previously we have seen here there is no argument. I need some argument. Let's see. Diff function give first name and close with colon and print first name to assign some value by using plus function and using space between the function fun to function 2 and here using one more plus keyword and write something first name and we will give some Kumar. Just run it and I need to give some function names and here copy and paste. In here we need to use some arguments in between the double quotes Shiva and not close with colon. Just run it here. The first one, first name argument should be given here. The input value should be given here and this is the argument. Here this is the input value and additional function can use to add another value to here. These are called single argument functions, but we need to use multiple argument functions also. What is that? And here we have to give only single argument. I need to give a multiple argument. To use function name function functions and the first argument should be first name comma should be separated the arguments last name closing with column and here print first name plus last name. Just run this program and to give some inputs this here. A first name should be Shiva in between double quotes. Don't forget that. And second one is Kumar. Just run this program. What should be happened here? Shivakumar. And this is called multi-argument functions. And please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.